Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make iced tea and grow a garden only way. Harvest fresh mint and tea leaves from your garden, rinse and bruise leaves, steep in hot water for 5 minutes, strain, sweeten if desired, chill in the refrigerator, and serve over ice with lemon slices and a sprig of mint for garnish every season. This friendly routine is simple and rewarding for home growers. Start by measuring tea and heating water to just below boiling, then pour over leaves and time your steep between 4 and 6 minutes for control. Strain directly into a heat-proof pitcher to avoid over-extraction, then sweeten while still warm so sugar dissolves evenly. Let the brew cool to room temperature on the counter before moving it to the fridge to chill thoroughly and preserve clarity and flavor. Quick note, if you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing garden recipes and tips. Quick recommendation. The new Kindle Paperwhite makes it simple to read planting guides and tea recipes anywhere, which pairs nicely with a tall glass of iced tea. Check the description for the product link and other deals, then grab a sip, and now let's get back to the video. Experiment with simple, garden-forward flavors like lemon, orange, basil, or lavender to customize your iced tea profile and keep it interesting. Try honey or a simple syrup to sweeten evenly, or reduce sugar by about 25% for a lighter cup that still tastes balanced. Combine small batches to test flavors, and remember that chilling often softens harsh notes, so taste again after refrigeration before final adjustments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.